Hi friend, welcome to goforshare.com. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix the CCTV camera lens have box camera. Okay, I will show you how to fix the lens in your box camera. Okay, I have a lens, CCTV lens 60 mm. Okay, let's see how to fix that with the box camera. IP tech camera. I have IP tech camera. Okay, let's start fixing the lens to the camera. Hi everybody, thanks for watching my video. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and we'll update you new technology and new tips for next time. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, for have a nice day.